Hi preschoolers, hi preschool families. I thought I would just post a quick video today, just kind of laying out how I hope these next 14 days will go as far as our little break here. Keep in mind that this may change. My plan that I have now might change. We're all kind of just doing this for the first time together. So here's my plan as of now. But first off, I do want to say I know everybody's schedule is going to look different. Some of you might be able to stay home with your children. Some of you might still be going to work. Don't stress about this stuff. I want to help you support your child in their learning. So here's what I'm going to offer for you guys. Starting on Sunday night, I'm going to hopefully post a video that's geared more towards parents. It's going to lay out like the weekly learning goals that I would have or would have had in the classroom, some links to some songs that we like to do in our classrooms, some homework ideas, kind of like we already do, and they will be as activities on your child's portfolio. So if you guys complete those, you can go on and post them to your child's dojo, and I'll be able to see that and interact with them. And then every day, I want to post a video that's geared towards the preschoolers, so it's for them. Right now, my plan is on Monday, it's going to kind of be like our library day since we did that already in the classroom. I'm going to read them a book, and then I have found a couple websites where they can pick a book online and it'll be read to them. So it's kind of like library. On Tuesdays, I want to do a video with our letter of the week. We'll sing a song and things like that. On Wednesday, I'm planning it as a number day. So I'll pick a number and talk about it, do some activities with it. Then on Thursday, since we usually do show and share in our classroom, I want to do a show and share type thing. I might pick a show and share item, Kinsley might pick it, and we might share it with you guys, and you guys could show that at home and do that as well. And then on Friday, it might just be a little recap, and I'm kind of thinking now maybe I'll pick out some star students who I'm like really impressed with and things like that, and just provide some feedback. So that's kind of what I'm thinking too. I also want to offer up the idea of creating a schedule, just because providing some stability is going to be key in making students feel more comfortable and okay with all these changes that are taking place. So Kinsley and we just did that this afternoon. I know you can't really see my then. Have your child sit down with you and do this. Now, some of you, you're at home, like I'm able to be with Kinsley. We did a full day one. If you have to be working, maybe just set aside an hour or two, a few evenings a night that you're going to do some of this stuff. Create a schedule so that they feel like they have a part of it. So, for example, in there like we're going to do a little calendar time. We're going to do choice time. When you are playing with your children, because this is a big part of preschool, interact with them. Challenge their thinking. If they build a tower, ask them, oh man, what would happen if this dragon came along and wrecked this tower? What would you do? How would you stop that dragon from doing that? Also ask them, oh, how many blocks did you use? Or maybe you're playing with kitchen stuff and they're playing with babies. What did your baby want to eat today? How would you make that for them? Can you make it out? Things like that. Challenge your thinking and use your imagination right along with them. We also have some like group time where that's when we're going to talk about our letter of the week. And we're on a recycling unit, so anything that you've trained with recycling, try that in there. I'll also give you some ideas on that too. We have outside time. We have just some downtime because you'll need that to get meals ready and things like that. And during those downtimes, I talked with Kinsley. That's a great time to watch PBS shows. Like I said, James Piper, Wildcats, Paid Cat, Super Wide, great educational shows. She might choose to do some music time. YouTube has tons and tons of kids music. If you search Brain Breaks for preschool, tons and tons of songs that they love. We do have a little downtime, and then in the afternoon it kind of mimics our morning. We have another group time. We have some more choice time. Also make sure we have some cleanup time listed in there too, so they can pick up their toys and things like that. So that's what's going to work for us. Everybody's schedule is going to look different. So what my recommendation to you guys is catch your breath these next couple of days. Maybe form a schedule. That would be the goal. Form a schedule. And then Sunday night, look for that video from me that's going to be geared towards parents, giving you some ideas that you would do maybe during those group times that you're going to have with your child, or the small group times. And like I said, I will list those on their dojo. You'll see that as an activity. If you do it, take a picture of it. I will be interacting with them through my videos and things like that too. And then every day, watch for a little video that'd be geared more for your child. If you have any questions, please send me a message and let me know. I will be happy to get back to you. Also, feedback is going to be very beneficial for me. If you see that something's really not kind of working, maybe in the videos that I'm posting, or the way I'm doing something, please let me know, because I will definitely find a way to change it and make it better. But on the flip side, if you're like, wow, this is really working for us, I really like that, please let me know. I will take that to heart and keep track of that and move on. One more thing I might add, let your child help you plan this. We're not an expert at this. They're not either. We're working at this together. So like, that's how I plan some of my daily things I'm going to do with the kids. I asked Kinsley, what are some things that you're going to miss over these next 14 days? And that's when she threw out library and show and share. So that's why I'm going to add those in my daily video. So just have the kids play a part in it. She also mentioned something about she'll miss her monster points. So I'm going to try to find a way for us to do that at home. It might just be on a whiteboard. Maybe you just keep track. Oh, I'm giving you a point for this. I'm giving you a point for that. When you get to 10 or 20, let's find something that you want to do. Her idea was maybe I won't get to do rest time that day. Find something that's interesting to them. But like I said in my post yesterday, I know if we work as a team, we can all be successful. So thanks for your time, and look forward to hearing from you guys. And you guys should be hearing from me hopefully sometime on Sunday. Take care.